What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So in today's video we're going to be explaining 3 major tips that we have been using to save so much money with our shipping supplies. Can't wait to share with you guys these tips. Let's cut this intro and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you guys are back from that intro, if you're new to this channel, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube. You can check out a bunch of our videos. You can have a good laugh, get some knowledge, because we've been sharing everything that we have learned in the past 6 months, and we have came such a long way from our first videos. So today's video is going to be 3 major shipping tips that we have found, that we have learned, and that have really helped us save hundreds, really.
Hundreds.
Yeah, so Kristina's going to read through the list of the 3 tips, and then we'll break it down.
So first on our list is to get all of your boxes, like brown boxes, from friends and family members. Yeah. Number 2 on our list is to cut down the size of your poly bags or boxes. And number 3 on our list is to use your eBay store discount for shipping supplies if you have it.
Yeah, so those are our 3 major tips. We're actually going to go through and show you each individual tip and how we do it. So first tip that we're going to explain is going to be on the computer. So we're going to turn around and... Okay, so now we got the GoPro set up behind the computer, so we're gonna do a screen recording on the computer and show you guys on the eBay homepage.
Yes, so right now, like you said, we're on the eBay homepage. We're gonna be talking about your eBay shipping supply subscriber store discount. So if you don't know how to get there, because I didn't know how to get there and I had to look it up forever. All right, so you're gonna click on your profile. Usually there's a picture there. You're gonna go into Visit Store, and then go into Manage My Store. There might be a simpler way to do this, but I don't know how to do that. And then you go into subscriber discounts right here. And the first one that pops up is your eBay shipping supplies. So you can go ahead and click on that to see your discount. Now, because we have the premium store, we have a $50 coupon that might range from different stores. I'm not really sure. But this one expires on June 30th. So in a few days, we'll be able to get some more shipping supplies. Very nice. But you can go ahead and click on this link here and it'll show you all the supplies that they have. They have some boxes and bubble mailers. Last time we didn't realize that we could ship priority out in these eBay boxes. Yeah. So we only got tape. Yeah. So this time we'll definitely be using the $50 to get us some boxes or bubble mailers, but it's definitely something to take advantage of because we haven't had to buy tape in so long. In months, literally. So it's definitely something that has helped us a lot, and we are so excited to be able to use it on boxes in a few days.
Super excited. So now we're gonna go back to the Canon and turn around. Okay, so now that we're back from the GoPro and everything, that was the first tip, is the eBay rebate store. So that's very helpful for us. Like we said, we got our tape and everything from there.
We got tape and stickers last time. Like we said, we didn't know that we could ship out priority shipping labels in just like plain boxes. We thought they had to go in the priority boxes. We were unaware of that. So we didn't buy any of the eBay store like boxes, but we definitely are going to this time. Yeah,
for sure. So then number 2 on our list is
to get boxes from your friends and family members.
Yeah, so this one is a little like different. All you gotta do is just kind of tell people, hey, I'm reselling, I need a lot of shipping supplies and stuff. So they might be like, oh, well, I get a bunch of Amazon orders, so I'll give you my boxes. Or I know Dom the Primetime Treasure Hunter has his coworkers bring him boxes and poly mails and stuff like that. So really just asking your friends and family is where we found most of our free boxes and everything.
All of them.
Pretty much all of them.
I don't think we've ever been to like Walmart or Home Depot to buy boxes. No. I lied. We bought 2 boxes from Walmart and they weren't even for shipping. Yeah, no, they were to be used inside of something. But like it's definitely the probably biggest money saver is to get boxes from other people, because so many people order things, so many people have access to boxes. You should just definitely do it.
Exactly. So then number 3 on our list, the last one, thank you guys for sticking around. If you're still here, we really appreciate you.
Hopefully these tips have helped you a little bit.
Yes, we tried to scrap up some unique tips that we have discovered.
Yes, but number 3 and finally on our list is to cut down the size of your poly bags or boxes.
Yes.
We cut down the size of our poly bags because a lot of our clothes don't need a poly bag like
we
this
have
big.
huge poly bags, yeah.
But we're gonna show you that right now.
Yep.
So
just gonna grab the camera and walk right in, why not?
alright, so these are the poly bags that we got from my old work when I was working there. They are clearly pretty big, as you can tell, so definitely not the size that we need for the clothes that we ship out. But let's get the actual measurements. Let's see, it goes to 26 inches by 18.5 inches, so definitely way too big for our clothes. So usually we have more than one order that goes out on one day, so we'll line them up so we can get the best space possible. Probably gonna do it like that, and then we just slice, put that aside, or somewhere else, and then we slice down right here. And we have the perfect 2-size pouches for these clothes. Now, when we first started doing this, we didn't realize that we can make little pouches. So this is our biggest tip for them, is that we then go ahead and tape the cut open sides closed. So, put a little piece of tape there. And then one more piece of tape right there. And Martin makes fun of me every time I do this because I'm such a perfectionist, but I literally cut out the little square of the bag. And then take it, and you're just gonna go ahead and fold it up. So you have your little pouch. And then you can go ahead and slip your pair of leggings right into there. And then fold it shut. I like to use the tops because you can use the little sticky part of it if I'm lazy. And there we go. Look how cute this package looks. And we're just going to do the last one just to show you guys one more time what we do.
So now let's get back into the room. Oh, we're not gonna have the lights, that's okay. So we're just gonna wrap up this video now in this dark space. We just don't feel like grabbing our lights. But that was pretty much our 3 biggest tips. We like to, what are they?
Oh boy. We like to cut the poly bags to the size of our clothing. We like to get boxes from all of our friends and family members. And we also love to use our eBay store subscriber discount.
Yes. So that was pretty much our shipping video. We hope these tips helped you. They've helped us save hundreds of dollars with shipping. We haven't bought any boxes. For our flat rate boxes, what do we do with those?
We go right on to USPS.com, the website, whatever, to go to United States Postal Service. And right on their website, they have all free priority mail, flat rate boxes. So that is what we've done because we do ship a lot of things priority mail. And like I said earlier, we didn't know that you could use brown boxes. So we loaded up. We have hundreds of them.
Yeah. All free.
Yeah. And literally no shipping, no nothing.
So we'll have a link to that website in the description below.
Yes. So check that out, but
that was pretty much our video. Today's video is effectively over. Thank you guys for watching so much. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. We're trying to post every single day, trying to grow our channel, grow ourselves, grow our knowledge, and just keep growing. So
growing.
We hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Make sure to go crush it. Peace. Yeah.
Alright, and then we'll be like,
First.
and then we'll explain it afterwards. Okay.
Okay, so now that you guys are back from that. So today's video is going to be 3 major shipping tips that we. So today's video is going to be 3 major shipping tips. We're actually going to go in through. We're actually going to go through and show you each individual tip. Alright, you ready? Okay, so now we got the GoPro set up behind the laptop. So now let's get back into the room.
You need
We're
the
not gonna
light.
have the lights. That's okay.
Are you a little perturbed? Alright, let's go take Finn out.
Dang, left this going. Oh.